Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this video, we want to provide an answer to a question on mensuration. 1. So in the diagram, the center is O. So we are having a radius of R which is unknown. The angle formed at the center is 90 degrees. So if the area of the shaded part is given as 504, we are to calculate the value of R. So it means we need to know the radius of this circle. So the first thing to do is to find out what are the various parts that we need to calculate. The diagram is showing a sector that is from X, O, Y, K is a sector. We know we can find the sector of a circle using the formula. We also know that we can see a triangle, and the shaded part is also a segment. That is the one we have been given in the question. So the area of the segment is given to us. We know to find the area of a segment, we need to know the area of the sector. We also need to know the area of the triangle in the middle. So right away, we are looking for three parameters here: sector, triangle, and a segment. So I will begin with the sector since I already know the segment. So we know it is given by theta over 360 times what? Pi r squared. So in this case, our theta is the angle formed at the center, which in this case is going to be 90 degrees over 360 degrees times the r will still remain r squared because we don't know the value of the radius. So let's see how we can simplify this. We know 9 can go here 1, go here 4. 2 can go here 2 and go here 11. Meaning our numerator is now going to be 11 r squared over 2 times what? 7. So I have 11 r squared over 14. That is what we can get out of the area of the sector because the radius is unknown. So next, let's try that of the triangle. By half r squared sine theta. So in this case, we have half times our r squared. The sine theta will be sine what? 90. We know if you have sine 90, that is going to give us what? 1. So the whole of this is just going to be 1, and this will become r squared over what? 2. So now the three parameters we talked of in the beginning has been found. The area of the sector, area of the triangle, area of the segment is given. But we know that the connection between them, area of the segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. This is the connection between the three of them. The area of the sector is equals to the area of the segment equals to the area of the sector minus that of the triangle. So right away, our 504 is going to be equals to 11r squared over 14 minus r squared over what? 2. So in this case, we need to solve the right hand side. Since it's a fraction, we solve, then we make. So you know our LCM here is going to be 14. So we can just say we have 14. 14 into that will be 1. 1 will multiply this to give us the same thing. Minus 2 going into 14, that will be 7. 7 times this will be 7r squared. So in manipulation of this, we are going to have the same variable with the same power. So it will be 11 minus what? 7. I believe that will be 4. So we have 4r squared over 14. Further simplification will give us 2 here, 2r squared, 2 here, 7. So this whole thing is going to be 504 equals to 2r squared over what? 7. What do we do next? It's a fraction. So we cross multiply, or better still, use the LCM, which is 7. So if you cross multiply, you have 2r squared equals to 504 times what? 7. So let's maintain this and divide through by the coefficient. So 2r squared over 2, 504 times 7 over what? 2. I believe we can divide this. So in this case, the r is what we are interested in, not the r squared. So what do? We need to find the square root of both sides in order to clear the square we are having here. So this is going to be square root of r squared equals to the square root of multiplication of these two. So that is going to be, if we multiply, so using the square root of this on the calculator, we have r equals to 42, but our unit of measurement in centimeter, so we have centimeter. So simply put, the radius of the circle that produced the sector to be 504 will just be what? 42 centimeter. I believe you grab the concept. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment, for us to get interactive. Thank you.